Welcome to a world where your moving company doesn't need to rely on expensive ads to be seen. If you run a furniture or home moving business anywhere in the Gulf, you already know how competitive this space has become. From Jeddah to Muscat, new companies appear every month, but only a few make it to the top of Google searches. And that's exactly where your next customer is looking. We help moving companies in the Gulf region increase their bookings and grow their client base using SEO. Real, tailored, location-specific SEO that connects people who need your service with your business before they even consider your competitors. This isn't theory. It's tested and proven with clients in Kuwait, Sharjah, and Bahrain. Whether you're offering premium furniture relocation or budget-friendly home shifting, being on the first page of search results is what decides who gets the call. Your clients aren't just browsing. They're urgently looking for someone reliable, fast, and available now. If your website doesn't appear in those moments, they'll go somewhere else. We specialize in Arabic SEO for local service businesses. We know the search behaviors in Al-Khobar, the types of keywords that convert in Dubai, and how to position your business for people moving across town or across borders. We optimize your website, create locally relevant content, improve loading speeds, and ensure you're trusted by Google in your city. This is not just about rankings. It's about getting real calls, real bookings, and long-term growth. If you're ready to compete with the big players in your city and attract more moving jobs every week, we're here to help. We invite companies in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, and Kuwait to visit our website and get in touch through the contact links in the caption. Let us help you turn search traffic into satisfied, paying customers without paying for every single click.